In this video, we're looking at this parabola, and we're going to determine when the graph is increasing, decreasing, and the average rate of change from x equals 0 to x equals 2. So first of all, recall that this has got an arrow on it, and we want to know when this graph is increasing. Now, it's very important we are increasing as we look at the graph going from left to right. So we have to think of it kind of swooping down from left to right. So actually what I want you to think about is, or notice, is that this, we're going left to right, this, we're actually going down, and then on the second half, we're going up. That's how I want you to think of it. So we are decreasing, and then after that we are increasing. So the decreasing ends here when x is this value, that's x is -1, and the decreasing starts forever to the left. Like, so imagine this pink arrow, the back of it keeps going to the left, and what number is forever to the left would be -infinity. So from -infinity to -1, we are decreasing. And then from -1 to +infinity, we are increasing. We are going up. So again, you think of it going from left to right. So we are increasing here on the green one. So that would be from -1 all the way to +infinity. Again, these are x values. These are both x values. From x is -1 to x is infinity, we are increasing. From this x all the way to the right, we are increasing. And then we are decreasing all the way from the left all the way to -1. Again, these are x values. We are going down from left to right, from all the way negative to all the way to -1. Okay, now let's do the rate of change from 0 to 2. So first, let's locate those points. Well, and we'll use the rate of change formula, which is slope. So slope, and which is rise over run. And we're going to do the second y minus the first y over the second x minus the first x. Now they give us the first x and the second x. So I can immediately put those in here. The second x is 2, first x is 0. So I do have to find this second y and put it here, and the first y and put it there. Well, the second y is going to be when x is 2. So I look over here and I go over to 2. There's 2, and I find where the graph is. So it's up here. I'm going to put a dot there. Let's use purple. It's right here. And I can see that when x is 2, my y is 5. So I'm going to put a 5 right there. And now the x1 is 0. So find when x is 0, what's my y? It's down here. And the y there is 1, 2, 3, -3. So I need to record my slope from between these 2 points. I have a rise of 8 and a run of 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4, or I could use my formula. 5 minus a -3 is +8. 2 minus 0 is 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. That is the average rate of change along this curve. So the slope between those 2 points is the average rate of change.